Is there an article, book, or DVD that you need, but it isn't held in our library's collections? Today we're going to demonstrate how you can request that item through Interlibrary Loan. First, make sure you're on the library's website at catawba.edu/library. On the home page, type the title of the item you need in quotations and click Search. For today's example, we're going to use The Coming Wave, Technology, Power, and the 21st Century's Greatest Dilemma. As you can see, it was the first result on the page. I can also see that it is not held at our library because it is at other libraries worldwide. However, if this wasn't the title I was looking for, I could use the options on the left-hand side of the screen to narrow down my results and find the right one. Once you have found it, click the title to take you to the record page. On the right-hand side of the screen, you can request the item through Interlibrary Loan. However, if for some reason this isn't the right year or edition of the book that you need, or article, you can scroll down to explore other editions and formats and find the right year and edition. For today's example, though, we're just going to stick with this one. Click the button. If you are not on campus, you will be asked to sign in with your Catawba credentials. Once you have gotten to this page, the information should be auto-populated in the required fields, but if it is not, or anything needs to be edited, you should be able to click in that field and change it. Scroll down, and under My Contact Information, you will now put in your name, your patron type, your Catawba email address, and if you would like, your phone number. At the bottom, make sure that you read the disclaimer describing how long it takes for things to arrive. Once you have read that and confirmed all the information on the page is correct, click Submit Request. And that's it. Now you just need to keep an eye on your Catawba email for an email from ill@catawba.edu or from Mark Wooster letting you know that your item has arrived.